Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
माझे नाव एड्रियन डिसूजा and I was the victim of a cyber crime. I have got a flat in Margao which I wish to rent out as the old tenant is moving out, and therefore I posted on housing.com. On housing.com, one Mr. Deepak approached me and said that he is interested. He is from the army and is to be transferred to the Goa airport, and therefore he told me that we can transfer the amount to you on your GPay, and therefore he told me to open my GPay. And you see, the thing is that he said put a certain amount. Now what is your rent? 45,000. What is security deposit? 45,000. So 90,000 you put there, and we will give you a number of a credit card of our officer, and the amount will be transferred. So accordingly I went to my GPay, and he asked me to put a particular number of a credit card or a credit card I guess, and then transfer. He said that amount would come to my account, but that did not come. See, there was some mistake. We do not deal with Bank of India, so you please transfer. We will transfer to you from HDFC. So I went to my HDFC account and therefore made another transfer. He said now we cannot transfer that amount which you have transferred back because it will take 24 hours, and therefore you transfer another amount so that we will in 24 hours later आम्ही तुका transfer करतले. And ते सांगना मागीर म्हाका कळलें that it's a fraud. मागीर म्हाका सजमान येयला this is a fraud, आनी therefore मागीर तेणी डिस्कनेक्ट केलो आनी मागीर अप्रोच करपाक मेळना.